Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the CMF watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you will see the home page or the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see your CMF Watch Pro. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you should see a button called Unbind Device. Tap on it, tap on Yes. The watch will disappear from the device page, and it will reset itself to the factory default settings. And once it's done, you can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.